So when I paint the body, yeah, I gotta move the bumper out. Yeah, it's gonna have a light kit. I decided to put light kit in it. 73 Bronco. I just got to get the fitment done. It's got to go down. You can see how far it's got to go down yet. Yeah. It's got to go way down on the truck. I'll have to cut it and notch it and everything else to get it to fit on here, but it's going to be, it'll be good. We painted black. The grill, I can't really paint much right now. I'm gonna take the original stock bumper looking piece and I'll cut that off. That'll lower it down too. But I'm going to paint the grill silver. Just this piece here will be done. So if I can get my pointer stick. Anyway, all of this here will be silver. These will be silver, so I'll probably just carry this and tape this whole area off and paint all that silver. Then all the around it will be black. So, yep. Originally I was going to put a pickup on it, and you can see I got the rims. The rims came today too. Now I'm just waiting on body mounts, the magnetic mounts, and silver paint. I got the black sitting here, so yep. So what I gotta do is I'm gonna cut the factory looking bumper off it. Yeah, under a little over $35, right around $35 for them. Don't mind me, I'm just trimming the body. I had to do the same thing when I put the Proline on, because they you know, they don't really fit like you think. Let's see here, how close we're getting. Getting closer. Getting closer with a fitment. It's set down in there. I can move that back bumper out one hole. Move that back bumper out. Somehow here. I think when I get my magnetic mounts in here, those posts will work out just fine. Then I just got to, I may have to lower the fronts down once I get it trimmed to fit, but you can see it right there, it's starting to come into place. I know it's a clear body, guys. This is a 73 Ford Bronco body is what it is. I got headlight buckets right here for it, tail light buckets. I even got some square buckets here. But I got a light kit. Right here's a light kit for it. So right there's a light kit for it. So I got everything here. I got to, I need the silver paint yet. That's what I'm waiting on. Then I'll tape off this grill area where I need to. And actually, an old trick I learned from last time I did one of these.